Do you want bold, raised logos that feel super premium? In this video, I'll show you how to apply Stahls 3D silicone transfers step by step so you can get perfect results every time. Stahls 3D silicone transfers create a true three-dimensional effect with a soft, raised feel. They're durable, they stretch with the fabric, and they give garments a high-end professional finish. Start by setting your heat press to 150 degrees Celsius. Stahls transfers apply at a medium pressure, which is a 4 to 6 on a Hotronics. Next, thread your garment onto the platen by separating the layers. Working with a single layer ensures you get the most accurate pressure reading possible. Lay the garment flat and pre-press for 3 seconds to remove any moisture and wrinkles. Place a transfer onto the garment with the silicone side down and the carrier sheet facing up. Position it carefully and use heat tape to prevent it from moving. Time to add a cover sheet. For most fabrics, standard release paper works fine, but if your garment's heat sensitive, use a Grip Flex rubber sheet. And remember, you'll need to increase your temperature by 5 to 10 degrees Celsius to account for the thicker barrier. Now press a transfer for 25 seconds. Now take your garment off the press and set aside to cool down. Once the transfer is cold to touch, you can peel. Once finished, you'll have a bold, raised design with a premium feel that's built to last. For best results, wait 24 to 48 hours before washing. Turn the garment inside out and avoid tumble drying. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other heat press tutorials. To order your 3D silicone transfers, head to custom.stahls.co.uk.